Check this out. I'm down here at the Lynchburg Amtrak station, and I was looking at the signal facing northward, and it was showing both reds, so I came down here, and an intermodal was coming southbound on this open line right here. The freight train, the mixed freight train right there, is stopped. And the end of the train is just down at the end of the platform. But this line must be really tied up tonight, so. But I guess Amtrak sooner or later has got to come through here, so. From Lynchburg Amtrak Station, Lynchburg, Virginia.